I joined the Minutemen a while back. We managed to get a decent start. Today, I'm responsible for this. So, what's next for us? I guess we start rebuilding the Commonwealth. Sanctuary feels like home. There's more of us here than when we first started. The supplies are ready now, but I want to take one last look at home before we head out. The crops are doing all right. I'm really gonna miss this place. Yeah, and your cooking too, Marcy. See you soon, Mama Murphy. Sanctuary is nice. Real nice. But if we want to rebuild the Minutemen, we need to expand. We need lots of caps. And as much as I love this place, it's not exactly a caravan hotspot. So it's time to think bigger. Remember Concord? The place with the Deathclaw? The Raiders? Yeah. We're moving back in. I don't know who looked at this war zone and said, you know what this needs? A shopping district. But apparently, that person is me.
Attention Commonwealth. A new Minutemen trade town is now operational. Food, water, protection, and business await. Tune your radio and follow the signal.
Well, let me have a rule and a saw and a board and I'll cut it. I'll climb up a ladder with a hammer and a nail and I'll nail it. Well, we worked so hard to build a little house together. In the snow or the rain or the ice cold wind, whenever. No matter what the weather, we're together.
After doing some final trades with Trudy, and telling her about the new trade stop. It's just a matter of time until the town is complete. All right, welcome to Concord Trade Town. Yeah, it used to be a raider playground. Now it's a place you can buy things without being shot at. We've got all the shops you might need, and even public toilets. Caravans stop here. People move here. Caps flow here. It's not Diamond City, but it's ours. All right, let's take a walk around. Main Street's where most of the action happens. And yes, it's busier than it looks. And right here on Main Street is the local Minutemen Recruitment Center. A well-stocked general store? That's steady caps all day. Right over here, we've got a restaurant run by two sisters. Best home-cooked meal you'll find within a day's walk. And right here is the shopping center. We've got weapons, ammo, clothes, and even a clinic upstairs. So if you buy something dangerous, you can get patched up immediately after. Some of the shop owners even have a break room or small workshop tucked behind their stall. Oh, and yeah, we even have a public restroom. Civilization is nice, for sure. The salvaged parts from the old Concord water tower and sewer treatment plant, we repurposed them into a working town purifier. This right here? Food, drinks, gossip, and questionable life advice. And if you're too tired to walk back to your caravan, there's a bed waiting upstairs.
I hope you didn't stumble across the Commonwealth on accident. If you did, don't travel without protection. Don't go near the big glowing thing in the southwest. Don't get snatched by the Institute. And do stay tuned to Old World Tunes. I'm your guide, the storyteller. We'll be back right after this.
Oh, this was actually the first thing we built. A generator building to power the whole town. Lights, shops, purifier. None of it works without this. Some folks from Abernathy run the local grocery here. A good portion of the caps this town earns goes right back into developing their farms. Trade feeds the farms, and the farms feed the trade, I would say. Right here is the guard station, and just below it, a power armor repair area. Caps attract attention, and in the Commonwealth, attention usually comes armed. So we built solid walls around the perimeter and posted guards where they matter most. Clear sightlines, controlled entrances, no blind corners. If you're coming here to trade, you're welcome. If you're coming for trouble, you'll meet the walls first.
General, I'm pleased to report that Abernathy Farm is now fully operational under Minutemen oversight. When we first arrived, the farm was vulnerable. Limited defenses, struggling infrastructure, and constant threats from raiders and wildlife. That is no longer the case. Defenses are fortified, supply lines are secure, production is stable and growing. Awaiting your next directive, General.